Thank you, Sneha ma'am. Gautam sir, I request. Next, we invite Mr. Suhas Satarde. Vice President SMC Capitals Limited. I want you all to keep clapping once I announce the name of the dignitary. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. A very warm welcome to you. L. Sharma. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much. Once again, a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries. Thank you, Gautam sir. I request you to please be seated. And now, allow me to introduce the company we are here to celebrate today. Oval Projects Engineering Limited, incorporated in 2013, started as a project management consultancy and has grown into a strong player in engineering, procurement and construction EPC, and operation and maintenance services with a strong presence in oil and gas infrastructure across India. Under the leadership of Mr. Gautam Devnath, the company has executed projects in pipeline laying, city gas distribution, gas processing plants and terminal stations. As of April 2025, Oval Projects has 30 plus ongoing projects worth rupees 453 crore. The company's revenue grew from rupees 59 crore in FY 2023 to rupees 103 crore in FY 2025, with EBITDA margins expanding significantly from 5.86% to 17.68%. Oval Projects Engineering Limited truly represents growth, reliability, and excellence. And as we are here today to witness a new chapter in the journey of the company, I want you all to clap hard and give them lots and lots of wishes in the journey. Thank you. And now, to mark the auspicious beginning of today's ceremony, we will go ahead with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. So I request all our dignitaries to please join us near the lamp for the lamp lighting ceremony. I request Radha ma'am, Suhas sir, Gautam sir, I request the family members as well to please join us near the lamp for the lamp lighting ceremony. हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति के अनुसार हम दीप प्रज्वलन से आज के कार्य की शुरुआत करेंगे.
Excuse me. Watson. Mobile.
दिए की ज्योत हमेशा ऊपर की ओर उठती है, उसी तरह हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया हुआ जो कार्य है वो हमेशा ऐसे ही ऊपर की ओर उठता रहे, अग्रसर हो. इसी भावना के साथ हम किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत जो है वो दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं. एंड वी ऑल कैन फील द शिफ्ट इन द एनवायरनमेंट, द पॉजिटिविटी इन द एरिया, राइट? So moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to invite Mr. Gautam Devnath, the Chairman and Managing Director of Oval Projects Engineering Limited, to please share opening remarks on this remarkable occasion. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all. Distinguished guests, ESC, SNC, honored investors, partners, my team members, and my family and friends. Thank you very, very much for coming here and joining us for the success of Oval Projects Engineering Private Limited. Oval Projects Engineering started in 2013. We started with humble beginning by providing services, project management consultancy to OMC. Later on, we started slowly acquiring projects, small projects like piping fabrication, flow line, small erection of separators, press stack, and vessels. Slowly we acquired a lot of experiences so that we can gather more and more projects in our team. In 2016, we got the opportunity to execute one EPC project as called Sonawai GCS. That was 8 lakh standard cubic meter gas processing facility. We executed successfully, and for that gas gathering station, ONGC could deliver gas to 106 megawatt of continuous port. So that was our first achievement in terms of milestone agency. Later on, we acquired more and more projects in gas gathering station. But slowly we are acquiring that time small pipeline, small diameter pipelines projects, DPNG, CGD line, MVP, flow line. In our industry, there is a challenge. Challenge is that if you have in oil and gas industry, because it is, there is a very statutory compliance industry. So normal service provider can't enter into this business. In our industry, if you need to have some kind of big processing plant in utility, then you have to deliver earlier small projects. 50% of that value in terms of capacity and price. So our vision was that we make ourselves in such conditions that we will have all-time jobs in our hand. When oil and gas is the surface, there are entire value chain. First, it will carry the path of gas refining station. After then, when the product is ready, product will go to the station, final station, some power plant or CGD plant. So in entire value chain, we are there. We provide gas refining station, we provide cross-country pipeline, we provide flow line, we provide CGD connection, we provide DPNG connections. So if you see a gas value chain, we are providing services each and every sector. Apart from that, we are also in oil sector. Oil sector, we are actually presently we delivered one loading unloading gantry system for Canada. That is a methanol gantry system. We are executing one project, big project for Oil India, that is having the storage capacity, huge storage capacity, huge storage volume, and loading unloading system for them. In that way, we developed our experiences so that we can achieve the target of 100 crore job, each and every single order job in next 1 year of time. I think this year we already participated in project. This year we are getting 100 crore job, few projects. We achieved growth in terms of revenue. We achieved 30% year-on-year growth. In terms of PAT margin, we achieved 5% to approximately 9.8% this year. We commit in front of you all that we will maintain, or rather we will improve our PAT margin as well as growth. I want to highlight one point here, how we are different from our company. We are different because the condition we face in Tripura, such challenging conditions we face in Tripura, and developed our capacity to execute such kind of project. I'm really proud of it, and I'm really proud of my team that the entire team has doing their job and executing projects. I'm really proud when my people are arguing with ONGC, GAIL, IOCL, and they win their argument in terms of failure and in terms of having more and more projects. I will not take much time here. I'd like to bring some names who supported me always and with me always in my bad time, in my good time. First name, I would like to take here Mr. Ravi Sarla. He is with me in my last mile connectivity. In my language, is my last mile connectivity, Ravi sir. हमें सर लास्ट में आप आते हो और हमें बचा लेते हो. Thank you very much for that. I wish to thank Mr. S. K. Rakesh, who always believed me. हमेशा बोलता था तुम कर लो, जो भी काम लेके गया ये काम कर लो, डाटा सेंटर भी कर लो, पाइपलाइन भी कर लो, सब कर लो. I used to thank Mr. V.P. महावर, जिन्होंने ये एंटरप्राइज बनाने में सबसे बड़ा योगदान दिया. I wish to thank Mr. Ajay Thakur, special name for me because 4 साल पहले मैं यहाँ पर आया था BSc में और मुझे कोई नहीं जानता था. इस बिल्डिंग में जब मैं उठा, अजय ठाकुर सर के पास गया और उन्हें बोला कि तुम ये IPO लाओ और तुम नॉर्थ ईस्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करो. थैंक यू अजय सर. I wish to thank my partner in Dubai, Kuldeep Mathur. I wish to thank my partner Ravi sir, Sangupta. I wish to thank the people here who work with me in ONGC. Mr. Aryan Meena, who is now my team member, Mr. Sunil Bhatia, Mr. D. Jena, and my friend Yadav ji, and my Shekhar. GVSS Rao given me a lot of life lessons, so how can I forget his name? Mukesh Gupta always pushed me to IPO. Shweta Mama, my friend, always supported me emotionally. Lastly, I wish to thank my team member, Tripura Sarkar, who always stood behind me. कि भाई जो भी करना मैं हूँ तुम्हारे साथ. प्रिंस जिसके बिना ये कभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं होता, उसका पूरा एफर्ट ये उसी में था. राजेन, संदीप, सुब्रत, अनिरुद्ध, चंदन जी, देशराज, पल्लव, स्वरूप, निर्मल, उज्जवल और जो भी नहीं आए, सब लोग इसको सक्सेस बनाने में सहायता किया. आई विश टू थैंक माई वाइफ राशि, सबसे ज्यादा सेक्रेटरी उसने किया, और मेरा सन क्रिश, माई पेरेंट्स. आई विश टू थैंक मच मोर BSc राधा मैम, जिसने लीव किया कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. आई गॉन थ्रू लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल बिफोर हियर, सो शी सपोर्टेड मी. आई विश टू थैंक अनुराग सर, सुहास. I wish to thank my dear team Alkesh. With this note, किसी का नाम छूट गया तो माफ कर देना. सबने सपोर्ट किया तो यहाँ पर मेरे इन्वेस्टर्स मिस्टर काबरा, आगे भी मेरे को लगता है कि आप लोग मुझे सपोर्ट करेंगे तो मैं जल्दी मेन बोर्ड में इसको लेके आऊंगा. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. On behalf of the entire team and everyone sitting here and watching us live, we wish you all the best. Ladies and gentlemen, next I would like to request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME BSc, to please share her thoughts on this remarkable occasion. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning everybody and welcome to each one of you in this iconic International Convention Center of the BSc as we celebrate the listing ceremony of Oval Projects Engineering Limited. It gives me a great pleasure to mention that Oval Project will be the first company from the state of Tripura to get listed on the BSc platform. Also, the second only company from the entire northeast region to get listed. We are confident that this listing of Oval Projects will become the path bearers for many more companies from the northeast region. Oval Projects is the 611th company to get listed on this platform, which has helped companies to raise over 11,000 crores. And the market capitalization of all these companies put together is over 1,85,000 crores. So this is how the companies grow post-listing. Listing aids in fulfillment and upliftment of the community and economic development. And with the listing of old projects, we are hopeful that many such shining examples would come into the fold and explore the opportunity of India's robust capital market offer. Now, infrastructure development is the backbone of the country's economy and it augurs for the nation. And Oval Projects, which started as a project management consultant, today has a diverse business wherein it undertakes EPC for industrial infrastructure, O&M, and for oil and gas and other infrastructure services. What delights us is that 90% of the revenue of the company is from providing services to the government undertakings. And we are also happy to know that the company undertakes civil projects for catering to urban development, including smart cities, which plays a vital role in achieving the vision of Viksit Bharat. The listing of Oval Projects reflects the entrepreneurship and the confidence of the promoters and the management of the company to follow the path of good governance, transparency, and engage with larger stakeholders. Now, BSE, a few words to 1 minute of BSE. It holds the distinction of the world's largest exchange by the number of listed entities. We have over 5,000 listed entities on the main board, where Oval Projects, we also would like to see Oval Projects being one of those companies to migrate and grow. And over the years, it has facilitated wealth creation for over $5.2 trillion through debt and equity. We wish the company all the very best and ensure our support at all times. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. It's 9:58, 2 minutes to the bell ringing ceremony. I request all the dignitaries to please join us near the bell for the bell ringing ceremony. I request Gautam sir, I request Suhas sir to please join us near the bell. I request the family members as well to please join us. Team members of Oval Projects Engineering Limited. Everyone can see the countdown on the screen above the bell, and I want you all to join me for the last 10 seconds with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. This is indeed a proud moment, a proud day for all of us, ladies and gentlemen. Only 36 seconds to go for the official listing of Oval Projects Engineering Limited on the iconic BSE platform. Everyone will join me for the last 10 seconds. And I request all of you to please be seated because we have live cameras behind you. Let's count together, ladies and gentlemen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oval Projects Engineering Limited is now officially listed on BSE. this beautiful moment here. A photograph to remember for a very, very long time to come. We already see the excitement, the happiness radiating from each one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap for this beautiful energy. Once again, congratulations. It is your hard work and dedication, your unwavering efforts that led us to this day. I request everyone to be seated now. The ones on the stage, I request you all to please have your seats. We all will get the opportunity to click pictures. All of you, please settle down. We will get the opportunity to take pictures as well. I can understand the excitement, the happiness here, but we have to continue with the ceremony as well. I request all of you to please settle down. Thank you all of you for joining us for the ceremony. Thank you. A humble request to all of you, let's settle down and continue the ceremony here. Once again, congratulations to the entire team of Oval Projects Engineering Limited. बहुत शुभकामनाएं. I can understand the excitement, the happiness here, but let's continue with the ceremony. Moving ahead, I request Mr. Suhas Satardekar, Vice President SMC Capitals Limited, to please come forward to share his thoughts on this momentous occasion. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very, very warm welcome to each of the family members, investors, team members, and other intermediaries of Oval Projects. It is an honor to have you all here on the momentous occasion of listing of Oval Projects Engineering Limited. We at SNC Capitals feel proud for managing the IPO of Oval Projects, which received response from domestic and international investors, which re-emphasizes confidence in the strong foundations laid out by the company to capitalize on huge growth opportunities. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the entire Oval team for today's listing and for providing us the opportunity to be part of this journey. Oval is headquartered in Agartala, which is run by visionary promoter Mr. Gautam Dekha, who is having technical expertise of over a decade experience in oil and gas infrastructure services business, and he is the guiding force for the successful execution of company's business strategies over the years. Under his leadership, the company has started a journey as a project management consultancy and grown up to a full-fledged EPC player, including oil and gas services. With a strong portfolio of completed projects, Oval has played an important role in oil and gas segment in Northeast region. Oval is well placed to take benefit of Northeast, which has abundance of oil and gas, coal and minerals, 74,51,200 applications, and the queries portion was surprised 6.21 times. I would like here to submit that this is just the start of journey for our projects, and I am sure that the management team will spare no effort in keeping the faith of investors by leveraging the sectoral opportunities and strengthening the company for future growth. I would like to specifically thank our transaction partners, the legal team, statutory auditors, and the PCS team. Again, we wholeheartedly congratulate Mr. Gautam Vedna, Ms. Princy, and the entire team of both members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the speech. Now, as a significant gesture of this occasion, we will have the exchange of mementos. First, we will present the memento from BAC to promoters, and to do the honors, I request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME BAC, to please join us on the stage. And to receive the honor, I invite Mr. Gautam Devnath, the Chairman and Managing Director, Oval Projects Engineering Limited. First, we will present a special listing memento from BSC to the company. Congratulations, sir. Now we would like to present the individual memento, the banyan tree memento from the BSC to the company. Sir, please wait. Congratulations. Thank you. I request Radha ma'am to please be here. The next memento goes to Mr. Suhas Satardekar, Vice President SMC Capitals Limited. Congratulations. Thank you, Suhas sir. And now we will present the memento from the company to BSC and partners. And to do the honors, I request Mr. Gautam Devnath to please join us on the stage. And to receive the honor, we have Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME BSC. Congratulations, ma'am. A big round of applause, sir. Thank you. Next memento goes to Mr. Tarun Kapoor. I request him to please join us on the stage to accept the honor. Congratulations. Thank you. Next one goes to Mr. Suhas Satardekar, SMC Capitals Limited. Congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Thank you. Next, I invite Mr. Alkesh Bhatt, JBS Communication, please come on stage to accept the honor. Congratulations. Thank you. Next, we have Mr. K.K. Singh, one of our special guests. I request him to please join us on the stage to accept the honor here. Mr. Rishi Mandavkar on behalf of Kanga and Company. Congratulations. Thank you. Next one goes to Mr. Ajay Thakur, Princey and JD. Mr. Ajay Thakur, please come forward. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Next we have Mr. Ravi Samla, Sneha and GD. Congratulations. Congratulations all of you. Thank you. Next we have the team members and board of directors of GD. Please come join us on the stage to accept the honor. A huge round of applause here. Team members and board of directors. Congratulations to the entire team. Symbol of victory of course. Today indeed we witness a victory in the remarkable journey of the company. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you all, sir. I request all of you to please take your seats. Thank you, Gautam. Thank you, Gautam, sir. Please join the seats. And now I invite Mr. Himanshu Mahavar to present the vote of thanks on today's remarkable occasion. Over to you, sir.
I thank you everyone for joining us today. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for joining us today as we celebrate a significant milestone in our journey. This occasion marks an important chapter in our history, one that reflects our collective efforts, resilience, and shared vision. We deeply value your presence and support. As we look to the future, we remain committed to continued growth and collaboration. Together, as one family, we aspire to build on this foundation and achieve even greater success. Thank you once again for being the special part of this day. Thank you. I would like to invite Mr. Gautam sir for a few words.
थैंक यू ऑल। एक जो मैं सबको थैंक बोलना चाहता हूँ, जो मेरे त्रिपुरा से जो लोग आए हैं, स्पेशली इतना दूर, उनको जितने जर्नलिस्ट यहाँ पर आए हैं, शांडिता, पनोदा, विष्णुदा, जयिता, सुमोदा, अचिंतदा, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ये दिस इज प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर त्रिपुरा एंड थैंक यू फॉर योर जर्नी। इतना दूर से आप आए और हमें सपोर्ट किया। Us, I would like to thank my board, Sneha, Himanshu, नायक साहब, तुलमली साहब, जो भी मैंने डिसीजन लिया उसमें बिलीव किया और मुझे आगे बढ़ने के लिए बोला। आज के डेट में ये लिस्टिंग संभव ही नहीं था अगर ये बोर्ड नहीं होता और टेंसी नहीं होती। तो थैंक यू माय बोर्ड एंड टेंसी। एंड I would like to invite Shanita and Vishnuda Pranada to give a moment. Huh? No. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I request you to please be on stage before we conclude today's ceremony. We would like to present the mementos to reporters and journalists from Tripura, so I request them to please come forward to accept the honor.
Fish.
Congratulations. Thank you all of you. Thank you, Gautam sir. Now, as we conclude today's listing ceremony, I extend a heartfelt thank you to each one of you, to BSc, to our BRLM, all associates and every individual who has been part of this beautiful journey here. Thank you so much all of you for your support, and to everyone watching us live, thank you so much for joining us today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your host, Namrata Bhanushali, signing off. Thank you so much. Very much. Please join us for breakfast and refreshments. Thank you.
Thank you.